Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Crest 3D White Professional Effects Whitestrips Whitening Strips Kit, 22 treatments, 20 Professional Effects 2 1-hour Express White Strips, 44 count. This was plenty of strips for me to get the desired amount of white, and they have minimal sensitivity. The product does work, but not worth the money when half the strips do not work. This product whitens really well, but it doesn't fit over the back of your teeth. They work. They come with more than enough strips to last quite a while, too. Very happy with this purchase. This product does not work, and half of the strips are already dried in the box. White teeth. The great thing about the upper quality white strips is that they adhere far better to your teeth than the cheaper versions. Really like the Crest white strips, and with the adhesive, they stay in place, even when drinking something while wearing them. This is really not a heavy dose of peroxide like at the dentist office, but is effective. It is true that it sticks pretty well to teeth unless they are crooked, and it does not damage your gums if it happens to touch them, but it does not bleach teeth, or make them any whiter. You know how it says that it's a whitening agent? Well, it is, and works great. This way, you get double the amount of strips, and no sensitivity where there may be small chips in your teeth. You can notice the difference in the color of your teeth by comparing them to those that are not covered by the strips. Advertised to contain 2 additional 1-hour express strips, none were found in the box. Make sure you dry your teeth and gums with paper towel so it sticks pretty well. By the time you reach the desired level, the cost adds up to a budget dentist. They work well, like when Ross fell asleep, and his teeth were glowing freakishly bright white on a first date. Well, didn't work at all. The serial numbers on the individual packets didn't match the serial number on the box. Contents have been switched to either fake product or old stock. The strips grip pretty well, and you don't have to worry about them moving around. Now, it didn't make it tissue white, but it was better than what it was. Don't expect perfect results, but it does a good job of lightening stains and yellowness. Do not leave them on for too long, otherwise it'll leave some dull pain afterwards due to the sensitivity of the gum in your mouth. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.